Welcome, and thank you for joining me in another exciting episode from Royal Pumpkin Academy, brought to you by Royal Pumpkin, the modern-day vegan's #1 choice for all natural and eco-friendly wellness products. Make the switch today, and remember, happy fish, healthy planet. Thank you for joining me on another exciting soaping video with my best friend, Fran. Say hi, Fran.
Hello.
So we're just going to add in our lye mixture into our oils and butters and give that a nice mix up. This part is the passport. This part. So what you're looking for is a nice trace. It's still a bit thin here. There we go. It's a nice light trace. So I'm just going to split off about a full liter just to give some interest. We're going to do a hanger swirl today. Actually, I think that's a bit much. That's about good. Okay, so we're going to add our turmeric, ground turmeric, into our soap. It's about 3 tablespoons of ground turmeric. Alright, so there's the turmeric and our plain soap base. And into this soap we're going to be adding orange sweet and frankincense essential oil. And here's our oil blend. And I'm just going to mix this by hand because I don't know how it's going to affect the soap, if it's going to slow it down or speed it up. So safe to just hand mix it. And it seems to be slowing down trace, which I guess is a good thing because then we have more time to work and make pretty swirls. Yay! It smells very citrusy. I'm loving this orange sweet. I got a bunch of it. I accidentally ordered 2 on 2 separate orders, so now I have an overstock of orange sweet essential oil. So I'm trying my best to use it in as much soaps as I can.
The orange is very popular in the holiday season, so
This is true. People like their citrus during Christmas. Alrighty, so going to just be pouring this in one at a time and then give a nice swirl with the hanger. I'm actually liking this watery consistency because maybe the swirls will come out to be more dramatic. So in goes the first layer. And then the plain with just orange sweet and frankincense. And some more turmeric. Actually, let's just pour the rest. There we go. I'm going to scrape out the turmeric and then use the plain base to add interest on the top with a nice chopstick swirl. We'll see how that happens, how it turns out. So now we're in the mold. Hanger too. Literally made with just a hanger. And dramatically swirl. And then for the top. Waste not wanted, right? Alright, and with the chopstick. Okay, and then to finish it off, you just give a nice spritz of rubbing alcohol. This prevents any soda ash from sitting on the top. Soda ash doesn't really do anything to the soap. It's purely aesthetic, that's all. Alright, and there we have it. Stay tuned for the cut. Bye! Alright. Here we are with the cut of our turmeric soap. That's unmolding very nicely. It's important to break the seal before you start unmolding, or else you could come up with some serious problems. All right. So there we have it. All right, there we go. Very beautiful, I think. So these are going to be put on the curing rack for about 4 to 6 weeks. And then they'll be available in my Etsy store for purchase. I like this one. That one's really cool. And it's very important to wipe off your wires, or else you'll get soap residue on the top of your fresh cut bars. you later. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to get more content from Royal Pumpkin Academy. Until next time, bye!